Bill 1171. Imagine this. Imagine a TJD investigator gets hurt breaking up a fight inside a youth facility. One agency would treat that officer like real law enforcement. Another would treat them like a regular state employee. Same danger, different rules. What the bill says it does? It says it brings TJJD's Inspector General peace officers in line with other state law enforcement by standardizing pay, hazardous duty pay, injury leave, and fitness standards. What it actually does? This means TJJD must pay certain Inspector General roles hazardous duty pay and move their peace officer positions into state law enforcement pay scale, while TJJD loses flexibility to manage those costs inside its own budget. It also means that benefits become a long-term obligation, even though funding still depends on future budgets. Who benefits? TJJD Office of Inspector General peace officers, including investigators and related roles listed in the bill. Law enforcement associations that supported it, including CLEAT, TMPA, Houston Police Officers Union, and the Game Warden Peace Officers Association. Who pays the price? Other TJJD programs if the legislature does not fully fund the new costs, because the money has to come from somewhere. Youth services and facility operations could be exposed to budget pressure if the agency has to cover these mandates internally. Why it matters. Fair pay for dangerous work makes sense, but when the state adds a permanent cost without locking in permanent funding, the risk is that the bill quietly reshuffles money inside TJJD. If officer pay goes up but appropriations do not keep pace, the squeeze can land on the programs that keep facilities stable and help youth successfully return to their communities. Bottom line, Senate Bill 1171 fixes a fairness issue for a small group of peace officers, but if the state does not fund it responsibly, the hidden cost can land on the rest of the juvenile justice system.